Suppose you have a toothache, and then you took a medicine prescribed by your doctor to relieve that pain. You may have wondered, how does the medicine knows where the problem is? To know that, we have to learn more about the body's chemistry. There are over 200 different cell types in the human body. Each type of cells is specialized to carry out a particular function, usually by forming a particular tissue. Different tissues then combine and form specific organs, where the organ is like a factory where every type of cell has its own job. These different tissues are like countries that need to trade with each other for their mutual benefits, but each country has its own currency and language. The same goes with the cells, where each type of cell has its unique receptor.
A receptor is a protein which binds to a specific molecule. The molecule it binds is known as the ligand. A ligand may be any molecule, from inorganic minerals to organism-created proteins, hormones, and neurotransmitters. The ligand binds to the ligand binding site on the receptor protein. Normally, the ligand goes to the cell to bind to its receptor and start a chain reaction to make the cell does its unique function, such as secreting insulin for other cells to utilize glucose, neurons that transfer pain sensation, and many more functions that help the body stay alive. Then, this ligand goes back to its storage place, either near the cell or far away, awaiting to get the signal for it to be released again.
Unless something happens that disrupts this cycle, such as infection or some sort of damage to the cells, here, we need to use an external ligand to replace the one that we have shortage with. A unique characteristic to the ligand and a receptor is that they are like a key and lock, which means that not any molecule can activate any receptor it comes in contact with. For that, medications are made after many researches to know what is the receptor of that types of cells looks like, to make a drug that can activate it to restore the cell's normal functions.
And of course, not all medications are made to activate cells' receptors, as some are made to look like the natural ligand, but not to activate it. Instead, to prevent the endogenous ligand from binding to it. That is when a cell is functioning more than normal.
It is worth notice to know that there are some molecules which can act on different receptors. That's the reason why medications have the side effects, beside the intended action they do.